until the world. I'm gonna sing down under the water until the world. I'm gonna sing and I'm gonna sing until the world.
Alright, so I look a mess, but I wanted to do a sewing room tour only because my sewing room was just clean. My boyfriend got an organizer to clean my sewing room. I'll insert the before and after because you wouldn't believe me if I told you. But anywho, so here's the after. I'm going to be showing you guys around my sewing room. Okay, so that's lights right here. I just used this, so this is going to be going in the trash. I did post on Instagram that this mannequin was available. I did tell someone that they were able to get it. I did have to buy a new base though because I could not find the fourth leg on this base. This half of a mannequin I'll be using for swimsuits. I bought it from Party City for $15 because they were going out of business. So I'll just be using that for swimsuits. Here we have on the right, he got this little organizer. So what I decided, because all of my, this is only a 1/10 of my fabric, less than that. Most of my fabric is in the garage, and it is color coordinated in the garage, but I still don't have enough drawers. But I decided that I'll be using this for fabrics that I'm currently working on and upcoming projects or orders. Over here we have some tulle. I do want to remove this. He left this over here, but the tulle goes in the garage, so I'll be moving that. Then this is my dress rack. So these are all the prom dresses that did not get sold this year, unfortunately, due to coronavirus. Deposits were put down on them, but most of the ladies were not able to pick them up. So I'll either consult with them to sell them next year and try to get them some of their money back at least. So they'll probably be just sitting here, and they're all so gorgeous. And this one's definitely my favorite, but this one is a nice one too. This yellow was bomb. This is just some regular clothes right here. Some masks that I made. He put these pictures along the walls. So cute. So I thought that was a nice little jazz piece, even though I'm going to be adding some other things. I am going to be getting a new chair, and I'm pretty sure the chair's supposed to go right here, but I like to be able to see the door when I'm sewing. However, over here is my label printer. So I have some orders to ship out that I'll be shipping out tomorrow. And those are the stack joggers. We have some stuff coordinated over here. And then all my threads, my sewing machine. And he bought this for me because I did not have the cutting mat before. So I haven't used it yet. And I don't have the rotary cutter yet either. I'm going to be putting my threads on the wall. I'm thinking I want to hang them like right here on this wall, because they're not going to be able to be there because this is my cutting table. And if the room's going to be clean, then I need to actually utilize the cutting table. He said that this was supposed to be a garbage bin, but right now I just have my sewing machine cords in there. So, and this is a swimsuit that I cut out, the pink. I just haven't sewn them together yet. I should probably put it over here, huh? So let's put this on my upcoming projects. I'm just gonna stick it in here. So I'll get to that. So this is my sewing machine I'm currently working with. Some scraps and garbage, so I could toss this in the garbage. Yeah, thread, a couple of other sewing machines, my embroidering machine. And then my mannequin. This is a sneak peek. I probably would not have shown you this if I didn't do this video, but this is a sample for an outfit that I'm going to be producing in the fall. She is so cute and I love her so much. I have a couple other samples too, but this one is the only one I'll put on my mannequin. Here's myself. Okay, so my closet. All right, dun dun dun. Oh, before that, let me get this in the garbage. So I need to get a garbage can because I don't have a garbage can. So I need to get one. Okay, back to my closet. All right, so there's some more prom dresses. So you thought this was all of them? Absolutely not. There are about 5 more in here in the closet. And then we also have some ready-wear outfits. You've seen these on my website. This is a sample that I was making. I never finished it, so I'm not going to show you. I have 2 of these dresses left. They're so cute. And then I have these 2 outfits. Up here, there's some shoes, some knickknacks, probably some different appliques and stuff in those Amazon Prime boxes. These are for photography, my backdrops. My bags, the best bags in the world. Some shipping packages for USPS. This is more backdrops. This is the backdrop stand, my lighting and stuff for photography over here. Some boxes in here. I didn't show you guys my boxes that I got made. We have some applique, and I'm pretty sure the applique is supposed to go in the Rhinestone applique bucket, but it's okay. Feathers, some other little knickknacks. Then we have my labels, my thank you cards, my labels, hang tags. These are pasties. I usually give these to my prom clients. These are my tags that go inside garments. I have some pink ones without the logo and some purple. These ones have the logo. This fabric glue that I use, scissors. I have 2 pairs of scissors out right now. I think maybe 3. Here is some goodies that come inside your packaging when you order with me, which is just like a QR code to my YouTube channel. Super cool. Okay, I have these here. They don't fit inside of here, but I'm pretty sure I can put them in here instead. These are our bra cups and nope, the shoulder pads are still over there, but I can add the shoulder pads in here because I would prefer bra cups and shoulder pads in the same place. Now again, the organizer did come in and do this for me. Corsets down here, so I have quite a few corsets. They're really cute. Here's my rhinestone applique. Ooh, it's a good drawer of magic. Gorgeous. I do sell some of this on my website as well too. We have some ribbons and stuff. These are my logos. And I use these to iron on, of course. That's one of them. And then on the sleeve, you see some more. We have, it's not tulle, but it's horsehair. So a drawer full of horsehair. And I have a whole bunch of other stuff in there too. She probably just didn't see it, which I could probably put some. So this is here, but I don't have anything in there yet. We have feathers, more feathers. This is elastic, and that's why that doesn't fit in, but this is the elastic. And then here's just beads, jewels, zippers. She did loose zippers, and then the pack zippers. This is just knickknacks, nothing really specific in there. Here we have boning and some hologram trim. Oh, and these go with my hang tags. I think I've been looking for those. Wow. There's stuff that goes to my sewing machine. Needles. This is my electric scissors. More goodies, beads, and jewels. So yeah, that's labels and stuff. So that's my closet. And this is my whole sewing room. It's where the magic never really happens because it was really a mess. But it'll be happening here more often now. And I had a couple people ask me about my cutting table. I made it. So I got the 2 cubes from Target, which is these little things here, the 4x4 cube holders. So that's what this is, a 4x4 cube holder. And then I bought this piece of wood from Home Depot, and I never finished it, but what I was gonna do was just paint it, but I screwed it to the bottom before I painted it, and I didn't want to get the carpet messed up, so I never got a chance to paint it yet. But I'm thinking I'm just gonna put some plastic down maybe. I don't know. I got to figure it out because I really, now that everything's clean, I got so much other things I want to do. Like, I want a neon logo here, and I have another couch. So I'm getting rid of her, and she's getting hung up somewhere. Don't want the tool over there. So I have a couch that used to be in the shop that I had for a little while, and I'm going to put that here, and I just want to put the neon logo in the background. And what do you guys think about painting or wallpaper? Where should I do that? Should I do this whole wall in wallpaper? Maybe I should do this whole side of the wall in wallpaper. Put the couch and then the neon lights. And then leave this white or paint it. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I know I haven't posted a video in a while, but I have quite a few videos. Hopefully by now you've seen, or probably after this, you'll see the stack jogger tutorial. And then I have to finish off the swimsuit pattern package tutorial. So I got maybe like 4 or 5 more swimsuits to do, and then the cover-ups. And hopefully that'll come soon. Yeah, I hope everyone's staying safe during this time, and thank you for watching.